The layers of the atmosphere, beginning at the Earth's surface, we have the troposphere is the one right next to the surface. And then as we move up, we have the stratosphere. All right, we have all weather down here in the troposphere. The stratosphere is where we have the ozone layer. Then we have the mesosphere. And then finally, the highest up here and also the highest temperature is going to be the thermosphere. It's the one that's the farthest out in space, just getting bombarded with solar radiation. So it will have the highest temperature. Note that there are these layers in between these pauses. So between the troposphere and the stratosphere, we have the tropopause. You pause slightly before you go into the stratosphere. And then between the stratosphere and the mesosphere, you have the stratopause. And then between the mesosphere and the thermosphere, you have the mesopause. Some of the items that you find in these, of course, we have all weather in the troposphere. We have the ozone in the stratosphere. The mesosphere is kind of the boring layer. We say that's where the meteors burn up. The particles, the oxygen, nitrogen, do get thinner as you go up, but there is enough there that very fast-moving objects will start to run into them in the mesosphere, and the friction from those air particles will start to burn up the object. And then the thermosphere, we divide that into the ionospheres, the lower part of the thermosphere, and then the exosphere is the as you go into outer space. The ionosphere, or the part of the thermosphere, is where the aurora borealis would be. This is where the ions are charged particles from that solar radiation hitting the sun and causing the glowing lights that we see in the atmosphere.